Bonjour, comment ça va? Hello, and how are you? That's what I just said in French. I said, bonjour, comment ça va? And if you would like to say, I am well, thank you, you would say, ça va bien, merci. Would you like to repeat all of that after me? Bonjour. Comment ça va? Ça va bien, merci. Excellent, très bien. So I thought I would teach you a little bit of French today, and we've just started by some greetings, and I thought I would teach you some colours and some numbers in French as well. And this has been inspired by lots of really beautiful rainbows around where I live, which is near the sea. But still, lots of houses have these rainbows in their windows, just like this. And I thought we could count the colours. So in French, you could say them after me if you like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in French. Shall we try that again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Excellent, you've just counted 7 in French. And let's have a look at the colours, shall we? Lots of different colours, and you know what they are in English. And in French, this is what they sound like, and you can repeat them after me if you like. Rouge, orange, rose, vert, violet, jaune et bleu. Shall we go through those once more? A bit quicker. Rouge, orange, rose, vert, violet, jaune et bleu. Thank you for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed learning your colours and your numbers in French. And this is how we say goodbye. Salut, salut, au revoir.